Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is a collab video featuring many ladies, some that I have met, some that I haven't met. I am truly excited to go watch everybody's video today to see what they have created. Today we are celebrating the fact that two of our dear sweet friends, Chip and Travis, are having a baby. Now I can't think of any two better parents. I never know how to word that. I've never been good at speeches, so, excuse me. But honestly, guys, I have worked with both Chip and Travis many times, and they are just two amazing people. For instance, Chip decided to get me this dog mom shirt that I'm wearing it for her today because I'm just so proud and just so happy for them. You can tell that they are a loving, happy, laughing couple all the time. So this is in dedication to you guys. Now, again, I want to give a huge congratulations to Chip and Travis on this wonderful adventure. I'm so excited for you guys. You guys are only in Dallas and I'm in Houston. One day, I promise you, I'm putting it out there in the universe, but one day I'm going to meet this baby and I'm going to be just loving on it. I'm so happy for you guys. So, let me go ahead and get started. And all I'm going to be doing is like a pick tutorial kind of thing. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I know that whether it's a boy or a girl, they will be cherished and loved. Now, I wanted to do a message system for you guys to show you just, I love Chip and Travis so much. I know that they are going to be wonderful parents. I know I said that in the intro, but I truly do. I feel like there is an exuberant amount of unwanted and unwarranted advice here on the internet, especially when not every situation is the same. So I didn't want to give you guys advice. I wanted to show you guys love and support and be honest with you guys. Whether it is a boy or a girl, I know it's going to be cherished, loved, and have a great time with you guys as parents, because I see how you love each other, make each other laugh, and I know that baby is just going to be as spoiled and rotten as it should be. So I'm going to leave the video here. I hope you enjoyed my look. I definitely did. I had so much fun doing it. It's definitely different for me. I actually did this look based off of like an idea of Chip's. Now Chip is just extravagant with her makeup, especially around Halloween time. She was just all out and doing crazy stuff with it, and this is all out and crazy for me, so I kind of took a page out of her book. I hope you guys like it, enjoyed it, and that is it for me. I want to say congratulations again, and I hope you all have a wonderful and fantastic day. Please go check out the other ladies because I can only imagine what they are doing today. And I love you all. I'll see you later. Bye!